How to get $100 Outback Steakhouse promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Outback Steakhouse promo code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get a working coupon code for Outback Steakhouse. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website. Once you're in the website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Outback Steakhouse. Just scroll down and check out the offers: $50 off, 10% off, $30 off, and many more. You can hit towards any of the offer that you wanna grab. Just go ahead and click on it. With that, you're gonna get the code for it, copy the code and use it. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for a steakhouse. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide you working promo code for Outback Steakhouse. So this is how you can easily get up to $100 working promo code for Outback Steakhouse. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.